Blinkville, thank you for having me. One of those mornings, and that's okay, because you can turn that right back around, babe. You're gonna have a good day. No, I'm not the only one. Take a breath, take a seat, grab Penelope. Perspective is everything, and I need you to change it. Me cough, me good. Repeat. The other day they said, bro, you need to go touch grass. I said, brother, I touch a lot of grass. It's like what I do all day. Kinda silly. Bestie, I know we twinning through the phone. I know. Blinkville's population better grow when I post this.